The last video I did was pretty like, whoa. If you're just beginning sewing, it's advisable for you to just unplug the power cord and turn the machine completely off until you get used to all the switches and the dials on the machine. You're gonna need a spool of thread, scissors, and your bobbin. And you wanna make sure that you use the bobbin that actually comes with the machine. First, you're gonna pull up on the thread pulley. You're gonna pull your thread to the left. You're gonna go down in number guide 1. It has like a spring hinge. You're gonna go down to 2, around 3. You're going to pull up on your thread to number 4. And inside here, there is a little lever that you need to catch your thread on. And if you go back far enough, it will catch. You loaded your thread in. From number 1, you're going to go down to number 2 around your stitch dowel. It's number 3. All the way down. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the description box.
You can follow me on LinkedIn, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram.
I am Fontana Monique or Fontana Monique. Both of them should pull up. Thanks again for watching my channel. Stay blessed.